Hi folks, so this is the Junior Cert higher level paper for 2022. So question one starts off with currency exchange. So it's a simple enough currency exchange question. So Jane buys the laptop for 699 US dollars. That's in means so 699, and then the cost of shipping is 30. So you have to add them together first of all, so to find out what the total cost is in pound sterling. So that's 729. So that's what it costs in, or not pound sterling, in US dollars. So uh, the currency exchange rate then is one US dollar is equal to 90 cents. 90 cents. So a trick to remember what to do here is if you're going from left to right, so in this case, if you're going from US dollars to euro, you multiply. So left to right, you always multiply. And the other way, if you're trying to convert from euro back to US dollars, you would divide, you take whatever the amount was and you just divide it by zero point 0.9 or 0.90. Here, obviously, we're going from US dollars to euro, so we're multiplying. So we're just going to take that 729 and we're going to multiply it by zero point 0.9 or 0, you can put in 0.90 if you want, but it's the same thing. So we're getting 656 then, uh, and 10 cent, 0.1 that comes up in the calculator. So that's the total then in euro. So uh, it makes sense then. I mean, if one US dollar is worth 90 cents, then it makes sense that 729 would be a little bit less. So it's a little bit less actually. It's nearly, it's not far off 100 quid less, but so that's the final answer anyway. 656 euro 10 cent. Second one then, this is a basic enough question on income tax. So Jane has a gross annual income of 56,000. So Jane pays income tax on her gross income at a rate of 20%. So 56,000 then is broken up into two. So she has to pay the first 44,300 at 20%. So the first 44,300 is going to be paid at 20%, and then the rest of it from there is going to be paid at 40%. So the rest of it then, what you have to do is you have to do 56,000 and you have to take away 44,300, and then you're left with 11,700. So that's the rest then. So 44,300 and 11,700 added together makes up to 56,000. So the rest of it is going to be taxed at 40%. So what you need to do here is uh, you need to just find 20% of 44,300 first, and that's going to find the income tax at 20%. So simple way of doing that, there's a few different ways then. You could just do 44,300 multiplied by 20 and the percent button on the calculator, if your calculator has a percentage button. You could convert it to a decimal, or you could convert it to a fraction. You could do 44,300 multiplied by 1 over 5, because 20% is the same thing as 1 over 5 as a fraction. Or the other way, 44,300, you can times it by 20% as a decimal. So 20% as a decimal is 0.2. So type that into your calculator. So we're getting 8860. So that's going to be my first answer here then. And then the other one, I need to do 11,700 times by 0.4, because 40% as a decimal is 0.4. So 4680. Final answer there. the next part then, Jane has annual tax credits of 3,300. So what we do with tax credits is we take it away from the total tax that was total tax. So what we have to do is we have to do 8860 and 4680 and add them together, and that's going to give us the total amount of tax paid then. So 13,540. So that's the total tax that has to be paid, or gross tax. So we're going to take away the tax credits from that then. Um, and then this is the net tax. So this is tax that ultimately has to be taken from uh, the amount that she earned in the first place. So her gross income was 56,000. So we're going to take this away then from 56,000. So 35,760. So that's what she takes home then. That's her net pay. And then we're done.